Hi, my name is Nalini Mahadevan. I'm an attorney here in Clayton, Missouri. I'm licensed in Missouri and Illinois, and our law firm specializes in estate planning for both families and seniors and immigration law. So the other day, I was reading a Wall Street Journal article that spoke about why you should renew your estate plan every year. We recommended every 2 years, but the article said every year, and I was kind of curious. And as I was reading the article, a lot of my own stories, client stories, sprang to mind. In fact, a classic reason for why we need to update our documents, our estate plan documents, are my client who passed away recently. Her husband passed away several years before that, and she has adult children, but since she last updated her plan in 1994, she has done nothing to it. Since that time, she has bought a lot of farmland in one state, and all real estate in another state. And her will is from a third state, so you can imagine the amount of complications that it is adding to the probate proceedings. Thank goodness the children are all on the same page, so that part is much easier. The other reason why one would want to review one's plans is if you are going to get remarried and you would like to protect your assets before you get married again, or if you have prior children from a prior marriage and you need to take care of them. The Wall Street Journal actually spoke about a couple, a woman in a same-sex relationship, and she was taking care of her elderly mother, both financially and also helping where she could. And her mother had given her a lot of heirlooms, and the lady had the daughter had a plan that said that she was leaving everything to her partner. No problem with that. But the issue was when she died so prematurely, the plan which gave everything to the partner left out the mother completely. So now the mother is not only out all the heirlooms that she had given to her daughter, but also has now lost her financial support. Now, had there been some little bit of planning and update to the plan, then they could have made sure that the mother was taken care of. Sometimes I face the complete opposite. I have immigrants who are so concerned about their older parents and that whom they're taking care of financially, they forget that they have a wife to take care of as well, or a husband to take care of as well. So sometimes that can happen. So in those cases as well, one must be sure to keep updating the plan. Also updating the plan if there's a change in your circumstances and you have, for instance, won the lottery. You definitely want to update your plan in that case. Other reasons to do that is if as the estate and tax laws change, then your plan needs to be changed as well. If you are moving and the new state, and you are selling everything in the old state, in the prior state, and moving to a new state and completely redoing your entire life, perhaps then you need to get a new plan as well, or at least update your old plan. If you're changing beneficiaries, if the beneficiaries you named in your prior plan are no longer alive, or you're not on good terms with them, or they are well off and you don't want to leave anything to them, then perhaps you need to update your estate plan. I have a client who's childless and wants to leave all her estate, which is considerable, to charities. And every few years, she always thinks of new charities that she wants to give to. The trouble is, if she doesn't keep updating her plan, the old charities will get her money, the new charities will not. So that's a reason also to keep updating the plan. Um, Well, lastly, there was a client who left both. I mean, he was very nice about it. He left all his estates to his two children. But what happened was one child got stock in a company that completely it was Google stock that went from zero to um, $800 or $900, and the other child got the house that did not appreciate just as much. So now both the siblings, it has caused a lot of rift between the siblings. So these are also reasons one must keep updating the plan. If one wants a plan for the nursing home, that's another reason to update the plan and make sure that you have planned for your long-term future as well. Thank you very much. Let me give you our contact information if you want to get in touch with us. We are at in Carondelet, in Clayton, Missouri. Our phone numbers are 314-932-7111. Our email is nsm@mlolaw.us. Please be sure to ask for Jamie. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.